Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle Deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need, I have a wreath ring. I have deco mesh in white, orange, purple, and this pretty striped color. Scissors and chenille stems. Alright, let's get started. So I've cut all 4 colors of deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I have also cut the chenille stems in half. So I'm going to layer the orange and the white halfway on top of each other, and then the stripe and the purple half on top of each other again. You can layer them directly on top of each other if you choose to do so, but layering them this way is going to make a larger wreath. And then you're just going to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch in the center, just like that. Take your half of a chenille stem and twist it a couple of times. And then we're going to place it on the wreath ring. Now I do have videos I will link in the description box showing you how to place the chenille stems first, but this is another method I'm going to go with. We're going to work with the 2 inner rings. So I'm going to place the stem on the inner ring and then outer ring. Inner, outer, and keep alternating all the way around the wreath. And I'm going to go with 3 bundles in each section, but you can go with 3 or 4, whatever you decide. And I have 4 pieces of mesh in each bundle. Alright, so I'm going to repeat that same step again, but I'm going to alternate the color order, just because I think it makes for a fun and festive wreath. Scrunch it all together, take my chenille stem, twist, 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 and this time we're going to place the bundle on the outer ring. So the first one was on the inner, and this one is going to go on the outer, and then I'm going to alternate inner, outer, all the way around my wreath. Alright, I'm going to get a few more placed and show you what it's looking like. So this is what one section looks like, so cute and precious. As you can see with the back, I'm alternating inner, outer, inner, and I'm just going to stick with 3 bundles. Again, you can go with 4 bundles in each section if you choose to do so, but 3 makes a pretty decent size wreath. Alright, let's get the rest of the bundles placed and show you the finished product. So this is what it's looking like, so cute and precious. This is the back. Next, I'm going to separate my mesh, kind of separating the layers just to make a fluffier wreath. So I'm going to do this all the way around the wreath. I went with 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections and 4 pieces of mesh in each of my 3 bundles. Alright, and you are all done. It looks so cute, precious. Add any additional embellishments you decide. Just have fun with it and make it your own. This entire wreath can be made for less than $10.